It all started with a slow, cold compost pile that wasn't doing much. Maybe you've seen it before, a mound of kitchen scraps, leaves, and lawn clippings that just sits there attracting flies, giving off a faint smell and showing zero signs of becoming that dark, crumbly gold we all crave. I'd stirred it, I'd watered it, I even tried piling it higher. Still, nothing. But then I added 3 simple, natural ingredients, and the transformation was almost immediate. Within days, the heat kicked in. Steam started to rise on cool mornings, worms moved in, and before long my pile turned into the richest, blackest compost I'd ever seen. What's more, when I used this compost in my raised beds, everything exploded with growth. Basil leaves the size of my palm, tomatoes blushing early, and kale that looked like it came from a magazine. So what did I add? Just 3 things: coffee grounds, crushed eggshells, and seaweed. Simple, right? But when you understand how and why these ingredients work together, you'll see they aren't just add-ons, they're compost fuel. Let's dig into how each one transforms an ordinary pile into a powerhouse of fertility. The power of coffee grounds fuel for microbial fire. Coffee grounds might seem like an everyday kitchen waste, but in the compost world, they're a secret weapon. Rich in nitrogen, coffee grounds provide a quick-release food source for the beneficial bacteria that drive decomposition. Composting is essentially a microbial feast, and coffee grounds are the buffet. When you add them to your pile, you're feeding those invisible workers who break down organic matter into humus. But that's not all. Coffee grounds also help heat up your pile fast. This is especially important if your compost has stalled due to too much carbon, like dry leaves or cardboard. Coffee balances it out with a nitrogen boost, helping you reach the temperatures needed to kill weed seeds and pathogens. Just make sure you're mixing them in and not piling them on top. A thick layer of wet grounds can become slimy and anaerobic. When spread out evenly though, coffee grounds create a warm, active zone where microbes thrive. Plus they invite earthworms in, and any gardener knows when worms show up, you're on the right track. Crushed eggshells. The mineral boost your compost needs. Next, let's talk eggshells. While they break down more slowly than other compost materials, eggshells are incredibly valuable because they're packed with calcium, a nutrient many garden soils lack. Calcium is essential for cell wall development in plants. Without it, you get problems like blossom end rot in tomatoes or weak-stemmed seedlings. But there's a trick to using them right. Whole or half shells will take forever to break down. That's why I started crushing mine into a powder or grinding them with a food processor before adding them to the pile. This increases the surface area dramatically, making the calcium more available to microbes and eventually, to your plants. Eggshells also help moderate pH in overly acidic piles, and their gritty texture improves aeration. The result? A more balanced, mineral-rich compost that supports robust root growth and long-lasting plant health. When I began consistently using crushed eggshells in my compost, I noticed fewer pest problems and stronger transplants across the board. Seaweed. Ocean minerals for land-based gardens. The final ingredient that took my compost to the next level was seaweed. If you live near the coast, or can get dried seaweed from a garden store or supplier, it's honestly worth its weight in gold. Seaweed is often called green manure because of its rich profile of trace minerals. Things like magnesium, potassium, iron, boron, and zinc. These aren't always present in typical garden scraps, but your plants need them in small doses to function at their best. More importantly, seaweed contains natural growth hormones like cytokinins and auxins, which promote vigorous root and shoot development. These compounds don't just benefit your compost, they create healthier, more resilient plants once the compost is added to your garden. Before adding seaweed to my pile, I always rinse it to remove excess salt, especially if it's freshly collected. Then I chop it up or tear it into smaller pieces. It breaks down surprisingly fast and melds beautifully with coffee grounds and eggshells, creating a trio that covers all compost bases: nitrogen, calcium, minerals, and microbial fuel. The synergy, why these 3 work so well together. Individually, coffee, eggshells, and seaweed are each powerful compost ingredients, but together they form a balanced ecosystem that accelerates decomposition and produces richer, more fertile compost than you'd get with lawn clippings and veggie peels alone. The nitrogen from coffee grounds heats up the pile, kickstarting microbial action. The calcium from eggshells strengthens the mineral profile. and the Seaweed provides trace elements and growth stimulants that enhance the final product's quality. I didn't expect such a dramatic improvement the first time I tried this trio, but the pile heated up within 2 days. The smell shifted from sour to earthy, and when I finally dug into the finished compost, it had a texture and color that rivaled any store-bought bag. More importantly, my garden noticed the difference, and fast. Plants grown in this compost required less watering, showed fewer signs of nutrient deficiency, and had visibly more root mass when I pulled them up at season's end. I even tested the compost by planting a tray of beans in plain potting mix versus the supercharged compost. The difference in germination speed, vigor, and leaf size was shocking. The compost-fed plants were simply healthier. How to add these ingredients to your pile? To get the most out of this method, try adding coffee grounds every few days, ideally after brewing. Mix them in with your browns like dry leaves or shredded cardboard. For eggshells, dry and crush them first, then sprinkle them into the pile weekly. Seaweed can be added in fresh or dried form depending on what you have access to. Just be sure to rinse it and cut it into manageable lengths. Turn your pile at least once a week to ensure even distribution and aeration. Within a few weeks you'll notice the pile breaking down faster, with a richer smell and darker color. And when it's done, you'll have a batch of compost that doesn't just feed plants, it transforms them. The bottom line, compost can be more than just rot. Compost doesn't have to be slow, smelly, or bland. With the right ingredients it becomes something far greater, a living, breathing soil amendment that brings life back to even the most tired beds. Coffee grounds, eggshells, and seaweed are easy to find, free or cheap, and remarkably effective when used together. Whether you're dealing with poor soil, struggling seedlings, or simply want to boost your garden's productivity, this supercharged compost method is worth trying. You'll see the difference in your plants and in your harvest. If this guide helped you unlock new composting possibilities, don't forget to subscribe to Hydro Haven for more real, practical gardening solutions that work. Share this video with fellow gardeners who might be stuck with a sluggish pile or tired soil. Together, we can turn waste into wealth and grow something incredible.